So this lecture is titled, What's Fat? And you might be thinking that's pretty obvious. You see fat, you know fat, you can kind of identify fat. You eat fat, nuts have fat, animals have fat on their bodies, we have fat. So what do I mean by fat? Well, the last course was energy, and you'll see why energy was included, because fat has something to do with energy. Let me show you.
Now, we know that the things we do, such as sleep, breathe, have a beating heart, walk, run, and even skydive, take energy. And we know that energy needs to be replenished. And in an ideal world, we would eat exactly what we need to do everything that we do every day. However, we both know that this is not the case. Something happens when you have energy left over. See, your body is smart and realizes that maybe you won't eat another hamburger like you did yesterday. So what it does is store the energy left over as fat. Do you see the connection? A little bit of unused energy can turn into a lot of unused energy quickly, thanks to the magic of addition. The flip side of this coin is that your body will take the stored energy and use it as an energy source whenever you're using more energy than you are taking in to replenish your energy. So we have it now at this. When energy in is greater than energy out, it equals weight gain. However, when energy in is less than energy out, it makes for weight loss, because stored energy has weight.